Hey everyone, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a little, I guess you could say, update. We have this video, and this video. All three of them are proof of people using our Design Sensei tool, which is a fully AI powered tool that creates t-shirts designs for you, and they got their sales within a period of about 3 days. Okay, now we have other people in our members area who've also gotten sales as well. For those who are curious, this is you're staring at WAP, which is a place where people can create their own members areas and stuff. And I decided to create my members area here. And one of the reasons why I did is because I can basically create applications and give them to my members. And that's how this tool was kind of effectively created, which is a fully powered AI tool that creates t-shirts designs for you. And the nice thing about it is that it truly does generate income. Well, something interesting happened to me personally is I got a sale as well, or 2 sales, on a completely brand new Redbubble store. Now, I want to explain the intricacies of this because in the last 3 examples in this past week, effectively, this video, and this video, these were members of my channel or members of the members area who use the software and have gotten sales themselves, right? But this time I actually got a sale. Now, here's the thing. First off, I was not uploading at the exact same speed as my members because I'm the one building the software and I have to deal with the kind of maintenance and the little bugs and the fixes here and there. So obviously it makes sense that first priority is my members, make sure the software is good for them. And then once the software is working fully, no issues, then I'll go make money from it myself and use it. Well, that's exactly what I've been doing myself. Now, it's not exactly 3 full days. For me, I've been testing, uploading here and there for maybe about a week. And I was uploading maybe 10 to 15 designs. So I believe last time I checked, I was at 78 designs, something like that. But it's been more than 3 days. And just why does 3 days even matter? Well, 3 days matters because pretty much every single person who messaged me that I actually made videos on, who's gotten sales with this software tool, which once again is an AI-powered tool that creates designs for you, they've gotten their sales in 3 days. But then again, they've been uploading 30 designs a day every day, which is, significantly different than what I was doing. Once again, I'm focused on maintaining the software, getting the software better, and then I focus on using it, right? So I am in the process of using it, but just slower than some of my members, but I'm getting there, right? And so yesterday night or the night before, I can't exactly remember, I got a sale. I'm sure it says the date somewhere here in the email. Maybe it doesn't, I don't know. But basically, I have a screenshot of the remittance advice email and also the actual sale. So I blurred out, as you guys can see, I'll zoom in here. I blurred out the actual item, whatever it is, and it says 2x sticker of, and then whatever the item was. For those who are curious, the price was $241. And my margin was 74 cents. The total price was $4.82, so I'm pretty sure that includes shipping or something like that. But regardless, I don't focus on what's not mine. I focus only on my profit, which is 74 cents in this case. The beautiful thing about all of this is that I didn't have to sit there and manually do anything, okay? I just want to reference that. I literally typed in a topic to WAP, right? Or not to WAP, but to Design Sensei, which is found on WAP, which is, for example, I'll select one right now, let's say fitness, or actually let's pick something better. Let's pick movie quotes, why not? And then I selected whatever number here, number of suggestions, which is the number of designs. I hit generate, and then it will create these designs for me, and then I upload an image. These images here are just samples, just to see how your design would look on them. You could see here the design topics are generating. Sometimes it takes a little longer depending on the number of suggestions that you ask for. But the point is that there you go. Here we have perfect examples. Why so serious? Run, Forest, run. Obviously, you don't want to pick movie quotes because some of them could be trademarked. But you get the point. This is essentially how it works. Now, if you don't like this style of design, you can change color, you can change font, you can change pretty much everything. And I've done update videos on my channel to show the new algorithms that we've been creating, which, for those who don't know what I mean by algorithms, is t-shirt design. So we have algorithm 1, 2, and 3. Algorithm 1 is text, followed by an optional image. And once again, so many different text formats available, from, any kind of font. I mean, so many styles, right? To algorithm number 2, which is text, image, text, right? So it's like a sandwich effect. And then algorithm 3 is 3 lines of text. However, each one is a different font and a different style. Once again, this video doesn't clearly showcase how good and attractive the designs can be. But if you want to watch those past videos, I guess I'll leave the links in the description for you to click on them and watch them. They're, for example, I think like this is one of them. This is one of them. Maybe even this is one of them, yeah. So I have different videos up there, and you can absolutely create beautiful designs. Don't judge me on this one design because it's not attractive, but, you guys get my point, right? Hopefully you get my point. It just takes some time to put a good design together. So why is this amazing? It's amazing because this is exactly what I envisioned is, you're either going to be on the side of AI and take full advantage of it, or you're going to get screwed by it. Honestly, I hate to say that, but it's the truth. And I don't want to get screwed by it. I want to take advantage of it. And the way I see things, guys, is that, look, I'm not perfect. I'm not going to make all the millions of dollars there is in the world to make. But I want to leverage some point of technology to do some work for me. That's really what I am focused on now. And that's exactly what happened here to a T. 74 designs or something like that, uploaded onto the account, and then boom, a sale happened, which is really, really nice. The reason why I say it's really nice is because, once again, zero effort on my part. So I have both emails here, and I also have a screenshot of the actual dashboard. Now, why do I show the screenshot of the dashboard? I'm showing the screenshot of the dashboard because anybody who knows this knows that when you create a brand new Redbubble store, the number of sales doesn't actually show in the account, like right here. And I took a screenshot of the actual dashboard area, the whole entire screen. This sales icon here doesn't even exist, okay? It just shows the number of followers you have and the number of favorites. And you could see that here this little to sale icon exists now. And so it's a great feeling to really have this AI kind of thing working for you. And by no means am I saying that you have to join my members area and use this tool and as if it's the only tool. No, there's tools out there to automate. I'm sure they exist. I know Ryan Hogue has been talking about them for years, and he has a course on that, which shout out to him. If you want to join his course, check it out. But the point is that, if you do enough research, you'll find different tools, different resources, different things that will help you do less work. So it's not like you have to join my members area. I mean, of course we have content and we have software and we have all kinds of stuff in there, and it's a cool thing to be in, but no, you don't have to. If you have the ability to create your own software, create it. Do your own thing. If you have the ability to go look for other tools and pay for them, go do that too. All I'm trying to say here is push this message, of automation. I think, in the time now, and when I say I think, I really mean to say I know that it would save a lot of people a lot of time to get a little bit off of their plate. The amount of requirements that they have on a daily basis, let AI handle some, and it's very possible that you can do it. You see live proof of not only me, but other people, other students in the members area who have done the exact same thing. So we are currently working on improving this application. We are also creating other applications. However, what I'm saying here is that constantly you figure out how to use these technologies, leverage them, before they become worthless, if you will. Because there is going to come a point in time where, everything adapts, everything improves, and, I just wish everybody do well out there. So I'm just sharing my success, sharing my students' success as well, and putting it all out there. If you guys enjoy videos like this, let me know. I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.